There was chaos in the old capital Spanish town in St. Catherine on Monday as scores of persons descended on the post office to access state funding. The occasion proved a challenge for authorities, as Dwayne Anderson now reports.
Dozens of persons converged on the Spanish Town post office in St. Catherine on Monday. Some were there from as early as 5 a.m. Funds from the Program of Advancement through Health and Education Path were being paid out. These crowds are not unfamiliar on payment days, but with COVID-19 around, this crowd was a big problem. Several police officers as well as a health department worker tried to get some order and have the people space out, but to little effect. Social distancing was the last thing on most persons' minds. Getting to the servers' windows to get the path cash was more important. A police officer helped the under-pressure post office staff by calling out names from a book. That seemed to have brought a little more order to proceedings. As persons grew restless, the police threatened to use their non-lethal gear, including pepper spray. Thankfully, it did not reach that far. A frustrated parent vented to TVJ News.
From morning we around here. Around here is the worst at a place. Part of pay come on here so. Then the man, then the discipline, then nothing about them. And then lead down old people. Then stop up them one another around here if you don't mind. I first ever come on here and I want to go on. I pay go on here.
She suggested a change in the payment system to make it easier to collect in the future.
What them supposed to do? If them take Riverly, make Riverly come today, and then make different area come different day, and it's better.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.